Hello guys, do you think it's possible for DJI Avata and also the DJI FPV drone using the motion controller can actually follow you on your electric skateboard or your one wheel and your electric unicycle? And I'm able to do it guys with using the motion controller with the goggles using the drone video feed. I'm able to fly and ride with the goggles on. This is a game changer. This is what I want from a DJI drone to do, especially with the FPV. I think it's possible. This is what I actually talk about with the mini. The first mini drone came out. Hopefully DJI will do something with this. And it did. It actually follows by controlling it myself. My eyes is inside the goggles, just watching the video feed. No latency. Anyway, guys, and this is extreme wind, and I'm using the horizon lock with stabilized rock steady. But I'm able to do it. I'm able to ride. Not only that, guys, I'm able to ride using the goggles. I'm actually had my son with me. Look how convenient it is. This is a first FPV. You can actually able to ride in a moving object while you ride on it. Anyway, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.